So the year is gradually running to an end, and you're probably looking for ways to increase your income online, and you've been faced with opportunities like cryptocurrency, forex trading, affiliate marketing, or even Amazon KDP. Yeah? As a beginner, which one of these opportunities should you actually key yourself into? Okay, now I'm going to be dropping the pros and the cons, the things you need to get started with each of these opportunities, and how it's going to be of favor to you as a beginner. And the one that I think you should go for, I'm going to recommend it as well for you at the end of this video. So make sure you stick around to know the reason why we're going to be saying that, okay, this is the one you should start with as a beginner, or this is the one you should avoid as a beginner. But before then, let me introduce myself to you guys briefly. Alright guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. My name is Mandy Rachel Owodaily. I'm a digital marketing consultant. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by on my channel once again. And if you are seeing me for the very first time, hi, I'm very sure you're going to love it here. So make sure you tap on that subscribe button right now to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon right beside it so that you turn on post notifications for all posts, so that when I drop new videos you are the first to know. Also, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Yes, just click on that like button right there to like this video, so that you can help push it to more people that would need to watch this video, so that they can also learn, so that they don't lose their money, especially as a beginner. All right, and also finally, don't forget to drop your comments right under this video. Now let's get started. You are a beginner, the year is running to an end. You want to look for ways to expand your income, your finances, and you're faced with all these opportunities. Which one should you start with? The first thing you need to look at is your income. How much are you currently earning right now? Are you currently earning less than 50,000 naira, less than 100,000 naira, or even less than 200,000 naira? And as a beginner, you're looking for ways to expand your income, not deplete your income. Reduce your income. Do you understand? So first thing first, forex trading. Forex is simply foreign exchange trading, where we are trading in the world market. We are trading basically stable currencies like US dollars, euro, pound sterling, and all of that. Now, for you to be able to do forex trading successfully, like any other trade, even if it's handwork, you need to first of all learn. Okay, you need to get a forex trading course that will teach you how to trade, or maybe you pay a broker to trade for you on your behalf. That is for forex trading. Now for cryptocurrency is just simply trading digital currencies like bitcoins and all these other cryptocurrencies that are really coming out right now. And the key thing about cryptocurrency is that you buy now, you wait for the coin to shoot up, that is appreciate, and then you sell when the price has shoot up. So you're literally hoping that along the line the coin does not crash. That's currently what's happening right now. Bitcoin price falling, but a lot of Bitcoin faithfuls are hopeful that very soon the price will still go up again. Then when it goes up, you buy. So now that it is crashing, is the perfect opportunity for newbies to buy, so that because they are hoping is to go up. But what if it never goes up? And I'm not saying that in a bad way, but what if it never goes up? Okay, now talking about affiliate marketing. Now before I say I'm go to affiliate marketing, cryptocurrency and forex trading, they are very, very volatile markets. They can rise today and tomorrow they will just crash. Like, there are markets that you can make so much profit, 100% profits today, and tomorrow you're on minus 1000%. It is that bad. They are very, 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 very volatile and unstable markets. Though forex trading is more stable than cryptocurrency, okay, because cryptocurrency is digital asset. It is not being controlled by anybody or whatever, so it is highly volatile and highly unstable. But that does not mean that people are not cashing out from it. Okay, people are cashing out from it, provided you know what you're doing. Okay, but now let's go to affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simply getting paid for selling other people's products, and like every other trade, for you to get started, you need to get your training. Okay, same way when you want to start Forex, you need to get your training. If you don't want to lose money, you need to get your training. If you don't want to lose money as well with crypto, you need to get your training. Same with affiliate marketing. Even though to start affiliate marketing, you don't need any money to start, and you might not lose any money. But if you don't want to lose time, because time is a greater asset than money. Okay, if you don't want to lose time, and if you don't want to be frustrated, like, oh, this thing is not working, how am I going to do this? You also need to get your training. Okay, now after you get your training, you're not investing any other thing in affiliate marketing, and you're making money for yourself. So now let's take a look at all of these 3 opportunities. For Forex, you get your training. For crypto, you get your training. For affiliate marketing, you also need to get your training. For Forex, after you get your training, you need to invest money in trading. And the more money you invest in trading, the more profits you're going to make. And same with if it comes with losses, the more loss you're going to make. Same with cryptocurrency. After investing money in your training, you also need to invest money in trading the coin. And the more money you invest, of course, when the profit comes, the more profits you make. And if the loss comes as well, the more loss you're going to make. Now, when it comes to affiliate marketing, of course, you're going to invest money in your training. And after investing money in your training, literally, you're not investing any other money. That is all you have to do. And then you only need to just apply what you've been taught in your training to start making money for yourself. Do you understand? And most affiliate marketing courses out there, as a matter of fact, the ones I always recommend, e.g. 72 IG, it teaches you how to actually literally sell anything. So you can basically apply the knowledge into your own personal business, into monetizing your own knowledge, and at the end of the day, without imputing any other thing, you're going to make money. So as a beginner, currently earning less than 50,000 naira, less than 100,000 naira, less than 200,000 naira, that is your current income. You're currently earning less than these figures for yourself monthly. I would not advise you to invest your money in cryptocurrency. I will not advise you to invest your money in Forex. What I would advise you to is to invest your money in affiliate marketing. And how do you invest your money in affiliate marketing? By getting a very good affiliate marketing course to teach you the do's and the don'ts, the pros and the cons. Learn it, master it, implement it, make your money from it. Then when you start making consistent income with your affiliate marketing business, when you've started monetizing your knowledge and you've started making money from monetizing your knowledge, take profit from that money, because by then you now have a steady and a stable source of income. Your income has probably increased by then to 500,000 naira per month or 1,000,000 naira per month. You can then take 20% of that money and invest in crypto or Forex, so that even if the market crashes, you are emotionally stable. Sapa is not in one corner turning your head to making drastic and fast decisions that will make you lose your money more. In crypto and Forex, there's money coming in for you steadily. You can afford basic things that you need. You are comfortable, and you only need to budget your income and take 20% of that money and put it into Forex and put it into crypto. Every month, as your income is increasing, your 20, let's say you made 1 million naira this month, 20% of 1 million naira is 200,000 naira. You can easily put 200,000 naira in crypto. If it brings money for you, fine. If it doesn't bring so much profits, fine. You're okay, because even as crypto and Forex is bringing that money for you, affiliate marketing is still servicing you. Because you've gained that knowledge, you've paid for this training, you've paid for the skill, the knowledge is already there with you, and it can never be taken away from you. You're still printing money with that knowledge. So even if Bitcoin price falls or crashes, or Forex market is not doing well, you won't feel the pain, because money is still coming in for you. So this is my advice for you. This is my verdict. As a beginner currently earning less than 50,000, less than 100 or less than 200,000 naira monthly, please do not be deceived. Do not be fooled. Do not be pushed. Forex trading is not for you. Cryptocurrency is not for you. Affiliate marketing is what you should start with. And also Amazon KDP. I would not also advise you start with Amazon KDP if you currently earn less than that amount in a month. Yes, maybe I'll make another video to explain that in a separate video because I don't want this video to be too long. But if you are a beginner and you currently earn less than all that amount, my advice for you, start with affiliate marketing. Get a good affiliate marketing course and learn the necessary skills needed to be successful with affiliate marketing. If you get the 72 ID, for example, you're going to learn it is beginner friendly, okay? It's literally taking you step by step everything you need to know how to sell. I'm going to link another video. I'm going to put the link to a video in the description of this video where I actually opened the 72 ID course, so you see what's in it and what you're getting. And not just that, I'm going to be giving you free 3 months membership to the Zero to Hero community. This is a community of top affiliates where you will be learning so many strategies that you can actually use to blow up your business in 3 months or less. But the main aim of this video here is to let you know that as a beginner looking for ways to make money online, currently earning less, please run away from crypto and run away from Forex. Build your income first, okay? Build your income first before you now say you want to go and invest in Forex, before you say you want to go and invest in crypto. I'm telling you this from experience. Yes, from experience. I lost money. But I don't want to go into that details in this video. Finally, please, if you've not yet liked this video up until this point, kindly give this video a thumbs up if you got value from this video. Let me also know in the comment section, just let me know I got value. If you have questions as well, feel free to ask that question, maybe regarding affiliate marketing or whatever. Feel free to ask that question right under the comment section, and please don't forget to tap on that subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. If you are yet to subscribe, tap on the bell icon to turn on post notifications so that when I drop new videos, you are the first to know. Thank you so much for watching up until this point, and I am waiting for you.